You tap on a YouTube video, but it just won't play. This is a common problem with several possible causes. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix YouTube videos that refuse to play. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. The first and most common reason is that there is a problem with your internet connection. So for your phone to play YouTube videos, you need to be either connected to a Wi-Fi or your mobile network that has data. Let's check your Wi-Fi connection first. Tap on your settings. Tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a network. To test if this network is working when you have connected to it, just go to Google and tap on any link to see that if it connects. If it's able to access a website, your internet connection through Wi-Fi should be working fine. Then, go back to your YouTube to see if the videos will play. If the YouTube videos are still not playing, next, we will need to test your mobile data connection. Turn off your Wi-Fi by swiping down from the top of your screen to access the control center, and turn off your Wi-Fi by tapping on the Wi-Fi icon. Then go back to your home screen. Tap on Settings. Tap on Mobile Service or Cellular. Make sure your mobile data is turned on here. And to test if this data connection is working, go to Google and tap on any link to see that it connects. If it's able to access a website, your internet connection through mobile data should be working fine. Then go back to your YouTube to see if your videos will play. If the YouTube videos are still not playing, you can try to update your YouTube app. Sometimes there are new app updates, and if you are not updated to the latest version, there may be some glitches causing your YouTube videos to not play properly. Go to your App Store. Tap on the search bar on the bottom. Search for YouTube. Here, if you see that it says update, it means that there's a newer version. If it says open, it means that you have the latest version. Tap on update to update the YouTube app. Once you have updated the YouTube app, go back to your YouTube to see if your videos will play. If your YouTube videos are not playing, we can try to update your YouTube app to the latest version. So we can try to offload and reinstall the app. Tap on Settings. Tap on General. Tap on iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the YouTube app. Tap on it. Tap on Offload App. This will delete the app but keep the documents and data. Then reinstall the app and go back to YouTube to see if your videos will play. Lastly, if everything else fails, do a forced restart of your iPhone. This will reboot the phone and clear any glitches of software bugs that may have caused your YouTube to not function properly. To do this, on the left of your phone, press the volume up button, volume down button, and then on the right, press and hold the power button on the side of the phone until the screen goes off. Wait for the Apple logo to come back on, and once your home screen comes back on, your phone has restarted. Then, go back to your YouTube and see that if your videos will play. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they will help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and